HVAC financing. HVAC is an acronym of heating, ventilation and air conditioning. It is essential to maintain comfortable temperature and good air in a building. A good HVAC can improve the productivity of the employees working in that building. In turn, poor HVAC can affect the performance of the workers. Hence, it is indispensable to have good HVAC in an office building. HVAC is also referred to as climate control and is essential for industrial and office buildings. Some of them even have computerized control. This of course can add to the cost. Though essential, installing HVAC system in a building is a costly process, and so HVAC financing is often essential. The enormous size warehouse building requires rooftop HVAC system. It has unique features to ensure safety and protection of the loads. It is therefore essential for every industrial or warehouse buildings. However, they can be expensive, and so many companies look for HVAC financing. Stand-alone HVAC helps to maintain the temperature. It offers high-class performance. It is fully operational and secure. But installing it in an office building is not a simple process. It requires the help of a specialist to install. Installing stand-alone HVAC is a costly process, and so many companies find it wise to go for HVAC financing. Many traditional financial institutions may not be willing to finance HVAC due to their extreme cost. However, there are some reliable financing companies that can understand the need of HVAC in a building, and so they offer financial assistance to them. The financing companies do not ask any documents to offer HVAC financing. A simple application process is enough to grant approval. Once the business owner submits the application with the financing company, the officials in that company would contact you immediately. They would grant loan amount on the same day itself. However, most of the financing companies practice the habit of granting finance to the vendor or dealer mentioned by the applicant. HVAC indirectly helps to increase the productivity of the company. Hence, it is essential to install it. Due to their high cost, many companies hesitate to install them. HVAC financing is an excellent opportunity for them to have HVAC in their office building also. The financing companies provide financial assistance to acquire HVAC at low interest rates. Hence, the companies do not find it difficult to repay the amount in low monthly installments. Since there is no red tapeism, the company can get loan at any time they want. Sometimes, HVAC financing can be obtained on the same day itself. Since there are no cumbersome procedures, many companies find it a great relief to get financing HVAC. In fact, it is often difficult to get financial help for stand-alone or rooftop HVAC. But the genuine financing companies make it possible for almost all companies to have HVAC in their buildings. A good HVAC system can also help saving power. Investing in HVAC system is not an expense but a great way to get increased productivity. Chris Fletcher's page features more about new and used HVAC financing and other finance topics. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Chris_Mark_Fletcher/203017